So I'm about to have a maiden flight on my Dragon V2 with pan action twin camera setup. I can switch between the two cameras because I'm using the Matek F765 flight controller. One camera is looking down, the other one is straight up. So let's see how it's gonna work. And I replaced the motors. I used to be 1800 motor, now it's a SunnySky 980 kV motors that seems to draw only maximum 12 amps. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, we're getting ready to hand launch the Reptile Dragon with twin camera setup. So the camera right now is looking straight forward. This is not the one that pointing down. So I generally launch with fly-by-wire mode. I have tried auto launch also. That seems to work every time also, but yeah. Anyway, so here I switch to cruise control, cruise mode actually. And again, this is the camera looking forward. And I'm going to try a little bit of a pan motion. There you have looking to the right, not much of a pan motion. It's kind of a limited with the servo. And now I switch to the camera looking down. So one thing I realized that actually the two cameras that I had, they were at different light settings. And that's why perhaps the Foxeer camera, which is looking down, looked much more brighter than the one up above. And the other thing I noticed, the camera that was looking straight forward has maybe need a little bit lens adjustment. And there's Tom Bellotti again, a very close call. I need to stay away from Tom when he's flying because my friend Billy had a mid-air with Tom. Both planes were completely destroyed. Anyway, back to the flying. So again, this is the camera looking down. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. So now again, I switch to the camera that is looking forward. Seems to be working fine. The amperage, I'm really happy about the amperage. Oh, before I forget, look at this at the message, throttle fail safe off. There was a message down below in case if you missed it. Not sure, I have to look this up in Autopilot what that message means. I've noticed that message come and go a few times, but going back to the amperage, I'm only drawing anywhere from 12 to 13 amps. It's a 3300 milliamp hour battery, LiPo battery, 4 cell. So total flight was about 8 minutes, which was pretty good. And there you can see actually the camera looking down. Look at those two cars and kind of give you a nice view from above. As the camera is pointing down. It's only like 5 degrees, I believe. I have to look this up in my CAD model. Maybe I'll increase that a little bit more. And there's Tom's plane down below that I can see. If I switch to the front camera, I won't be able to see anything down below. You look straight ahead. So I think that's the advantage that I was looking for. I was looking for to be able to use two cameras to switch in between rather than using, pan and tilt motion or head tracker. I really don't like head tracking system. So there, this is the camera looking forward. So yeah, I will have to look this up, that how much amperage did I consume overall during this flight. So I'm going to add those in my comments, notes, and in the description. what I discovered. All right, we're gonna land this puppy now. So my batteries was running 3.7. I saw somewhere at 3.6. So time to land. Yeah, as I pull back on the throttle, look at the amperage it's drawing. 3 amps. That's amazing. Kind of suspicious now. I'm gonna have to do some calculations to find out if it's really, or maybe I'll hook up a voltmeter and put a clamp on and see how much amperage I'm drawing with full power. So there you have it. Thank you for watching. Battery left over about 42%, and this is a 3300 milliamp 50C LiPo battery 4-cell. Based on this calculation, this is just like a rough calculation. Basically, I flew for 8 minutes, consumed 56% of the battery. So if I just use simple algebra, if I had consumed 70%, I could have flown for 10 minutes, or 80%, 12 minutes. So there you have it.